Yo, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the baseball game, and this is part 2. So this is going to be the picture part. So we can come to scratch and come back on your project. Then this is going to be for our picture. So when green one clicked, now this one's very short, let's know that. Switch costume, picture A, go to. Then make sure you do the right numbers, that's me, otherwise it's not going to go good. If you want the original project, will be in the description. And yeah. And we can change his size to 60. You can do smaller if you want to, but I haven't. So you can have a set size if you want to. I'm not. And yeah. So another one room if I clicked. Oh yeah, one more one is score. So that's score. And we're not gonna have score showing. Oh wait, no, maybe yeah, we're gonna have score showing. Now you can put it wherever you want. Put it wherever you want. If you didn't want to score, you don't have to have one. I'm gonna have my score about there. I think it looks good. Okay, now we can go a set score to 0. Then when I receive, pitch, switch costume to picture A. This beat is crazy, Richard, AJ. That finger away. Monster, you go my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. No one but the day, but at night in the monster. When the moon shines like ice road trucker, I look like a villain, I don't know, a blockbuster. Grabbing hand first, then a key pressed. Where is it? Key pressed. Key 1. You can have any key because this is throwing. And ball moving. Oh yeah, and grabbing equal. And ball moving. Set it to N. Now the reason why we put N is because this means no, and the ball's not going to be moving. So we can grab a repeat. 4. Oops. Next cost. Oops. Skip. Sorry about that. Accidentally click something. But next costume. And wait. 0.1 seconds. And broadcast. Make sure it's 1 away. And broadcast and move ball. And that's all for the picture. And I'll see you guys next time in part 3. Original project will be in the description. Make sure you follow me on my Scratch account, OkiRos9912. And yeah, I'll see you in the next Scratch video. So, I hope you guys have a good day, and bye.